Assalamualaikum. So today we are gonna present about the acoustic comfort strategies for air conditioning and mechanical ventilation systems.
For the introduction, the purpose of an air conditioning and mechanical ventilation system is to maintain comfort condition in the air-conditioned space irrespective of the outdoor ambient condition. Comfort condition usually refer to a specific range of temperature, relative humidity, cleanliness, and distribution of air to part the comfort requirement of the occupant in air-conditioned space, which is summarized of the top. On the 4 November 2020 at 2 p.m., an industry talk program presented by IR Dr. Tuan Suhaimi bin Saleh, which is from Center of Excellence of Engineering Technology, JKR, was held at Hvac application. A talk on acoustic comfort strategy for air condition and mechanical ventilation system was given. The talk, which took almost 2 hours, which was given in English and chaired by the Dr. Tuan Suhaimi bin Saleh.
Knowledge gain. Okay, we know the issue of noise and vibration should be one of the topic to be learned. Other than that, we know four elements that Hvac play the role of indoor air quality, or we can say IAQ, is thermal comfort, visual comfort, and acoustic comfort. There are few acoustic comfort strategies. First, equipment location, vibration isolation, airborne noise from air cooled chiller, airborne noise from air cooling tower, flow at elbow dash branch or take off, flow velocity and dark area. Okay, for the fact that we learn for measurement standard, there is no current ANC or ANSI standard that provide specific direction on how to measure noise level in rooms. There is a new ANSI working group that has the goal of developing such a standard, which is S12 WG 51.
Okay, I will present about further info that attract our group interest to study. First, what might info that interest to us to study is first, the strength of material of this flexible support. Second, what other material can be used to do in this research. And lastly, types and compounds of rubber which have been created and adapted to suit specific condition and application for this research.
Okay, for the conclusion, we can assume that we were taught in this industrial speech that ACMV techniques are one of the key contributors to the overall consumption of energy in buildings. In order to calculate and analyze energy use trends, track how energy is used, how the device part interrelates, and document actual energy consumptions, the building energy audit is therefore carried out. Other than that, economic research required possible alternative steps to achieve efficient energy use for the buildings. Okay, thank you.